What's your name?
Josie.
What are you doing today, Josie?
Play-doh.
Pardon me?
Play-doh.
Oh, what are you doing with it?
Making dresses.
Very nice. Do you have a helper?
Yes.
Who's your helper?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I'd be honored to help you. Do you want to sing a song?
No. What? What kind?
Elsa?
No.
Here you go. There's a piece.
No.
Okay.
I don't want to sing a song.
Okay. No singing. It'll just be a quiet video.
Yeah. Isn't it going to be a loud one? Hang on, Mommy. I don't want to play Play-doh anymore.
We just started our video. Here you go. Here's a piece.
But that's from Rapunzel.
Cinderella, honey.
That's from Cinderella. I gotcha.
Okay, I'm going to give you another piece, okay? Let's just finish her dress for the video. Then we'll be all done, okay? The attention span of a 3-year-old. What you doing?
Lego.
Now we're doing a Lego video?
Yeah.
Josie.
We're doing a Lego video because I'm started not. I'm done with I don't want to do Play-doh anymore.
Oh, who's going to clean up?
You.
You're kidding. I don't even dare show the floor.
Slower? Oh, that's just stupid.
Or silly.
It's not silly, it's serious.
Oh, it's serious? You want to do a Lego video?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm going to stop this one and we'll start a new one. Say bye.
Bye!
Thanks for watching.